Hey everybody, how y'all doing? So today we're gonna eat some snacks. I got some Oreos here, some fruit snacks here, and some of my favorite Cheez-Its. Ooh, they're not white cheddar, so they're not really my favorite, but you know, we're gonna have them anyway, okay? So I think I really wanna start with these Oreos, man. They double stuffed. I don't really like the double stuffed ones. I like the regular stuff, but you know, let me just open these up here. It'll take me a good bite. And y'all, I'm a little OCD. Like I like things a certain way. Hold on. I like things a certain way. And I really like to squish my Oreos together before I eat it. Yeah, I really like this. You know, since they're double stuffed, they're a little hard to squish. I really like to cut them in half. And yeah, and just eat one half of, man. Wow. Making a little bit of a mess here, but you know, it is what it is. You know, I think I'm good. I don't want any more Oreo. That little bite was good enough for me. Really, I don't know. That was a little chocolatey, but I think I want to try my Cheez-Its next. Let me just grab my Cheez-It. Okay, I got it. Yeah. Like I said, not my favorite, but you know, these will do. Man. I definitely need time to chew before I eat my next one, you know. Alright. Man. Bustin', I eat these all day. Every single day. Really bustin'. You know. Ooh. Definitely don't want to feed my nose. Yep. Yeah, I think that's enough Cheez-Its. Those are busting. Yep. Really good. Wow. There's more. Let me eat my last. That's two. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. That was so good. Yeah. But now I saved the best for last, y'all. Ooh, the fruit snacks. Bussin'! Let me get some of these fruit snacks. It's got a Cheez-It on it. I just need to wipe that Cheez-It away. Yeah, I'm gonna just give me one of these. Oh my gosh, they're falling on the table. Let me just pick it up off the... Yeah, let me just grab that. Hold on, y'all. I'm having a little hand-eye-arm coordination here. Wow. It's really good. Really good. I accidentally dropped the rest of them, so let me just find where they went. They're right here, actually. Right here. Yeah, right, yeah. Yep. Let me just eat. Man, I love gummies so much. Bro, y'all like gummies? Please put in the comments, your favorite brand of gummies, because gummies are my favorite. They're not Cheez-Its. They're gummies. And they're so good. This blue one right here, finna bust. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh. Look at it. And it's so good. Wow. What a great snack, guys. Oh my goodness. It was so great. Well, let me just let me just tap on my chest a little bit so I can clear my throat and fix my earring a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching. Peace out.